I'd like to show you around my new Wren kitchen. A total renovation, which was bought and purchased from the York depot with a guy that did an excellent job of fitting my kitchen to my needs. I've got a full double width island. The units are in seafoam green and the worktops are quartz with a nice sparkly effect in them. And in the middle we have a pop-up electric plug, like so. We've even got USB there for all the modern technology that we have today. Nice sparkly worktops, and the contrast colour is a gloss grey, which is actually concrete grey, again, which complements the granite worktops. Up above is a double width glass cupboard, which when the lights are not shown, it's just a blank canvas, but it looks quite effective when the lights are on. Moving back to the island, we have wine coolers at either end for the amount of entertaining that we can do. And moving on around the units, we have a glass sink, which is really easy to clean and keep nice and sparkly and shiny, with the enhancement of a nice cooker tap, a boiling tap, which is ideal for vegetables or even just washing up. We have a nice pull-out unit which houses all the condiments and easily tucks away. We have a Bosch dishwasher, very silent when working in the kitchen. And up above we have a fully integrated microwave. And as you can see, all the lighting that comes on in different stages to enhance on your mood and evening lights. We have a double fan oven, and to the left here we have a fully integrated fridge, double height fridge, which is ideal for a large family. On this side we have again the double-sided island with a triple induction hob, which is ideal for lack of spillages, easy to clean, no burns. And in this island we have plenty of drawers, cutlery drawer which slide and glide very easily, even with the weight of your crockery. It can be used for a multitude of things. Personally, my baking drawer. And we have a pan drawer. Again, the weight of them and they glide so easy. Extra cutlery drawer. And we even have a spice rack. Plenty of cupboards and storage. And we have a full integrated in the centre oven housing fan, extractor fan, and a different selection of lights throughout, which enhances the mood of a kitchen of an evening. And plenty of spotlights for giving direct light when wanting to read and do general things in the kitchen. Hope you like this tour. I'm really happy with my kitchen. Easy to clean as well. It looks fantastic all the time.